Dade Shields with DS Diving Service here at the vessel after hours. It is 4:25:23. Kitty has cleaned the port side, not the starboard side. I'm going to show you the side he's cleaned versus when he has it. Also, we had a note to replace your trim tab zincs, R4s. There's still plenty of meat on what's there, so I'm going to show you that. Your Rudder zinc on your port side is burning extra quick. We will need to replace that next time. Let's take a look starting at the starboard here. I think he has gotten the water line around the whole boat already. Now we're going to go down and look at that Rudder zinc that's burning really fast. There's the other side, which isn't burning fast, which means that rudder may be not properly grappled. Alright, let's go look at the starboard side and up at the bow thruster. Triangular thing I was pointing out was your spurs line cutter. We need to replace that zinc. And the shaft zincs, I would imagine next month or the month after that. So right now we're looking at next month replacing definitely one of the Rudder zincs, possibly the trim tab zincs, definitely the spurs line cutter. And I'll look at the other side to see if that one also needs one. Let's check that real quick. Definitely needs one. However, your fixed portion that attaches to the strut isn't there. Let us know.